I'ma write my name across the world. Please don't worry. Someday I'ma find.
All right, talk about on point. Big up Massacre. Look at these trophies, guys. Man, she turned her passion into a business and her business into an award-winning success. Chloe Bailey, owner of Chloe's Creations and recent Prime Minister's Youth Awardee for Entrepreneurship, joins us to share her journey and showcase some of her fabulous print creations. First and foremost, Chloe, congratulations.
Thank you.
As Debbie said, who can walk with the award a bat? So a bat for me, a bay, Deidrean. Chloe, you know, when I saw your name, I was like, Chloe's here? Is she going to sing my song? When people hear your name, they're like, Chloe, are they mistaking you
since
for Chloe?
recently, like when person says, your name is Chloe Bailey, like Chloe Bailey the singer. And I'm like, yeah, my name is Chloe Bailey.
Do you even listen to Chloe, though?
Not really. So,
Yeah,
no.
darn it. Prime Minister Youth Awards for Entrepreneurship. How do you feel? I mean, are you still basking? It's been a week now.
Yes, I am. Since Saturday, I've still been posting every day. I am feeling blessed, like to manifest that I want to be a Prime Minister awardee. And for the 2024, I am a Prime Minister Youth Awardee. So I'm feeling really amazing, tremendously feeling
So when DJ Khaled says yesterday's price is not today's price, you feel that in your soul, right?
That's it.
Talk to me about your business, Chloe's Creations. How is that?
So Chloe Creation started in 2020 during the pandemic. When I just started, I wasn't thinking anything long term. I was just like, I'm starting this because I need a way of life. Like I know I want to be an entrepreneur, but I don't know what lasts long in business I'm going to go in. And starting this business, I started small, and I started from my bedroom, to be exact. I was on a small table. I had machines on top and my other supplies under the table. I transformed from my bedroom to my veranda. And I always remember when it rained, my stuff would wet up. Or if I'm on the road, I'll call Mommy and say, Mommy, can you cover my machines for me, please? And then I transformed from my bedroom to my veranda and to my own store.
Look at that.
So I had my grand opening in December 2023. I opened my store, and it has been good since then. Everything has been going on great.
By the way, that's how the stories are started. I think Microsoft was started in a garage or something, so that's fine to start in your bedroom and then to your veranda. When you thought of the idea, because in COVID, a lot of us were home, we wanted something to do to occupy our time and stuff like that. Were you thinking long term in terms of wanting this to be like an official business, or was it something to just, keep you occupied at the time?
So at the time, it was just something to keep me occupied, because after registering my business as Chloe's Creation, I'm thinking if I was thinking long term, I want to use Chloe's Creation, but I wasn't thinking long term. And then everybody know the business because I'm Chloe and then know Chloe Creation. So I was like, I can't change it again, or I won't change it again. I just go with the name.
It works.
And that's it.
So what are some of the things that Chloe creates? I see this cushion covering here is one.
So I make customized cushions, tumblers, hat cups, vehicle stickers. You name it, we print it. I print business card, flyers, anything at all printable, I got it.
You're the person designing everything yourself. You're choosing the fabrics, or can I have some kind of creative input by telling you what I want or what fabric I want or what color and stuff like that?
All right, so customers get to pick what they want. So you can choose the color, the fabric, what type of t-shirt you want, if you want athletic material, cotton. So customer gets to pick what they want, and then I print on what they want.
In store now, what do you have in store? Are you doing some of your prints on spot, or you just do things pre-made and then you bring them to the store for persons to just pick up and buy from?
All right, so in store now, only like, for example, only Mother's Day, Father's Day, or special occasions, I'll have things pre-print. But otherwise, persons would send like their logo or what they want to print, and then I print it. So it's like a pre-order process. You go ahead and you could message us on Instagram or WhatsApp. You order what you want, and then we go ahead and get the work done.
Seeing the business grow over the years, though, how do you feel now, being that it was like a hobby before and now it's an official business where you're getting real money and real clients?
What I can say is I am feeling blessed. Like, I didn't expect my business to grow this much. Like, I've had vision, like, starting and afterwards, I had vision to say, hey, I want my business to be known in my area by 2024. And I can say it has been well, like, everything is going great.
I know you're not just creative with your business, you're also educated.
Yes, I
She
am.
went to school, guys. How does your degree in accounting and marketing help with the business? Does it help any?
Yes, it does. So, with accounting, I
Count the money,
I do
right?
my own accounts. So I have a degree in accounting.
You can keep your
So
books in
I keep
check.
my own bookwork. I file my own taxes, which I have an accountant who guide me throughout the way when I just started. And with marketing, it has been on point. So my marketing degree do help me to promote my business, know what marketing strategy to use, when to use it, and stuff like that.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. What's the one thing that people request most or they buy the most from Chloe?
I would say
What's the bestseller?
birthday shirts or sometimes funeral shirts. I think that's the best
God.
seller. Like birthday shirts, though.
Birthday shirts and the funeral shirts.
Yeah.
What would your advice be to other young girls, young boys who are out there who have an idea, who may be sitting on something that's just a hobby right now? What would you say to them in terms of transitioning into an official business?
What I'll say is there is no limit to what you can accomplish except the limit you put to your own thinking. Like once you think it, once you believe, then it can work. So as long as you believe something, you work towards it, it's definitely going to work. Like if you fail one time, don't give up, try again, and it will definitely work.
Awesome. By the way, guys, this one is to my dad. Father's Day is coming up. So this is an awesome gift for dad. You want to zoom in on this one? Look at that. It's a cushion covering to my dad. It has really nice words. And then it has pockets too. So dad lose him glasses or in remote and put it in on one side. Have this in the couch. Remote in one side, glasses in one side. It works awesome. Awesome. Before we go, we can get a all off of this. So you know what it's like. Debbie, don't... Chloe Bailey, Prime Minister Youth Awards awardee for entrepreneurship. More on We Can Smile right after this break. Look at that. Oh my God.
My way. Cha-cha, you cover me, I pray.